We've been watching this for several days now,
Yes.
and I mean, consistently, you got ensemble members, you got AI models really honing in on this possibly being the first hurricane of the season, and it could be a strong one.
Could be a very big one, yeah. A tropical wave that goes to a tropical depression, tropical storm, a hurricane, maybe a major hurricane. But what is a tropical wave? They originate over Africa. For more on that, here's meteorologist Zack Webster.
As we start to get closer and closer to peak activity in the Atlantic hurricane season, we start to shift our eyes a bit farther off toward the east for any potential areas of showers and storms that could eventually wind up being tropical systems. So here's an example of a couple of those from earlier this morning. One fairly robust cluster of showers and storms is moving its way off the coast of Africa. There's another one not too terribly far behind it, and those clusters of storms can eventually wind up turning into tropical systems. Here's how. We'll start out with an area of those showers and storms like what you just saw move off the coast of Africa early this morning. There's already some storms ongoing, but as you move over the warmer waters of the Atlantic, you get a better influx of warm, moist air into that cluster of storms that causes air to rise, and then more storms form. As that air continues to rise, it forms an area of low pressure down at the surface, and then simply just the way the winds blow into that area of low pressure, it eventually causes an area of spin. As it continues to move westward out across the Atlantic, that area of circulation gets stronger, it gets more organized, more storms continue to develop, and eventually it organizes enough to where it develops into a tropical wave. Then as it continues to move westward, it strengthens into a tropical depression, tropical storm, and potentially even a hurricane if the right conditions are in place.
And we are tracking those conditions.